Welcome to CPSGroup.com. With this video we will guide you through the login process. Click on the user icon located on the top right of the screen. Now you are in the My Account page, for register and log in as a user. Please, insert your email address. Is preferred to use the Gmail account you are using to access the CPS shared drives. Check, I'm a human, and check, I've read and accepted the privacy policy. Click on Register. Pass the security control, selecting or skipping what's requested. Every time you log in, it will be required. Now, wait for the user security access. Please open your email and insert the security OTP authentication code. You have received from CPS Group 2 emails, the two-factor verification email, and your account creation email. Copy the two-factor verification code from your email and paste it into the login page. Please check that you have pasted the code correctly and click Verify My Login. Scroll down in the My Account page, and click on Reserved Area to access your dedicated dealer and service area. In this tutorial, we will log out and log in again. Click on the user icon on the top right of the screen, access the My Account page, and insert the username or email to log in. Now it's necessary to insert the password that has been assigned to this specific user. Open your email and copy the user password from the registration email we have sent you. Paste your password carefully and double-check that is correct. Please, pass the login security control by selecting and skipping the required images. Click on Check. Every time you will log in, a new two-factor authentication code will be required, therefore it will be sent again to your email. Copy and paste the code from your email into the login page and click Verify My Login. Now, you know how to log in and log out as a user. We have to authenticate your account in order for you to access the reserved area. We will give you access as soon as possible, but we need to associate your user with one of our dealers or service centers. As a normal user, you will not be able to see any additional sections by now. You can still of course download the public available commercial material. Now we will guide you through the reserved area section. Equipment and customer card is for registering the equipment with the owner information and dates. Claim application is for submitting warranty claims to our service team for approval. At the bottom of the section, there are more video tutorials and step-by-step guides for downloading dedicated material and how to navigate CPSGroup.com website. Take some time and have a look at them carefully. Every new video or step-by-step guide will be posted here, for your access anywhere, anytime. Use the back and forward arrows in your browser tabs for navigating back and forward between posts and pages. Thank you for watching, and remember, for assistance please use the virtual assistant icon on the bottom right of the screen. If you like this video please add a like, and give us a good feedback below.